മണിനാദം പോൽ മധുരം നമ്മുടെ മലനാട്ടിൻ മൊഴി മലയാളം. Good morning dear children. We are going to start our third chapter, that is can we type Amma in Malayalam in our computer. Okay, so you have heard the two lines that is composed by O.N.V. Kurup about the beauty of our mother tongue Malayalam. Okay, so dear children, in this class you are going to type Malayalam in the computer. Okay, I hope you already know to type സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ, വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ, ചില്ലക്ഷരങ്ങൾ and കൂട്ടക്ഷരങ്ങൾ, right? Okay, so by the help of LibreOffice Writer we are going to type Malayalam letters. Okay, are you ready? Very good.
Let us type in Malayalam. Okay, so dear children, when we are opening the LibreOffice Writer and we are typing using the keyboard, you can see the English letters that are typing or displaying, isn't it? But if you want to change the letters into Malayalam letters, what can you do? Yes, very good. We can go for the keyboard indicator. This is the keyboard indicator. Can you see? Yes. You can see an icon EN. That is the keyboard indicator. Where can you see that keyboard indicator? In the top panel of your computer screen, isn't it? In the top panel, the right side of the screen. Just click there and you can select Malayalam. Okay. Now I am typing. You can see the Malayalam letters, isn't it? So, did you study to change it into Malayalam? How can we change? Yes. Select the keyboard indicator and from the drop down menu you can select Malayalam as a language. Okay. So before going to type, I will just introduce InScript key layout. Okay. Did you heard about the InScript key layout? What is that? Yes, that figure you are familiar in the first chapter onwards, isn't it? Here we can see right hand and left hand and so many colors. Okay, each colors in the fingers indicates each keys in the keyboard. So can you say which finger is used to type G or U? Yes, the index finger of the left hand. Okay, so by looking into this picture you want to complete this table. Okay, so this is for fingers and this is for letters. Okay, right hand middle finger. Okay, this is the first row which is for normal case. Okay, this is for when you are pressing the shift key. So right hand middle finger, we can check that. This is the right hand, this is the middle finger. So green color, we can type comma without holding the shift key. So right here comma, then which keys? Yes, ka, gha, va, etc. Okay, so after pressing on the shift key, this button will shows the letter sha. After pressing on this key, it will shows gha. When we are pressing on the shift key and pressing on the gha, we can see this gha. Okay, so likewise you want to complete this table. Okay. Here you can see combination of letters and symbols. Ka plus a, ka. Then ta plus a, te. Sa plus o, so. Na plus I, nai. Likewise, ka plus plus ka, ikka. This is the compound letters, which means combination of two letters. Ka plus ta, tha. Ta plus ya, tya. Ma plus pa, mba. Okay. Activity 3.1. Let us type the words. Okay. I will show you some words. Kara. Okay. Open LibreOffice Writer. And I am typing that word. Okay. You want to say the letters. How can we type Kara? Ka is in K. Okay. Very good. Then Ra, J. Okay. Kara. Comma. Next, Tada. Ta is in L. Okay. Dha is in apostrophe. Okay. Next, Kada. K apostrophe. Okay. Next, Pada. H L. Okay. Tagara. L K J. Okay. Then Parada. H J L. Okay. Likewise, you can type the letters. Okay. But here you can see not only letters, it is having some symbols also, isn't it? Kiridam. How can we type that? Ka, that is K. Then we want a symbol for key. Okay, that is in the F key. Key. Then J. Then Kiri. E symbol is in R. Okay. Kiri. Then Tha. Tha is in apostrophe. Then symbol is in X key. Okay. Likewise, you can type the Malayalam words and letters. There are some occasions that you want to type the chillaksharangal. Okay, so which are chillaksharangal? N, il, il. So let us see how can we type the chillaksharangal. Shift plus V is in. Okay, shift plus V in. Then shift plus 8. Il. Shift plus full stop il. Then the slash symbol is for R. Okay. Then shift plus X. Okay. So this is for the chillaksharangal. You want to study these keys. Okay. Avan, our, aval. Okay, let us see how can we type that. Shift D, A, B, Va, Shift V, N, avan. Okay, then our, Shift D, B, slash, aval. Shift D, B, Shift 8. Okay. Manpatram. Manpada. C. Shift X. H. Then Pa. E. Pa. Da. L. Okay. Manpada. Vilpatram. Va. B. Then F. Then shift full stop is ill. H. Then next we want to type tra. How can we type tra? First of all type ta, that is in L. Then click on D. Okay. Then select J key, that is Ra. Ta plus D plus Ra is tra. Okay. Vilpatram. X. Okay. So if you are having the computer in your home, you can just try this. Okay. Next, here you want to type two words, that is Sahla, and second one is software. While typing these words, some problems will occur. Let us see what's that. First of all, I am typing Sahla. Okay. Sa. H. Then I am going to type La. Okay. Let us see what happens here. See. Can we read it as Sahla? It is Sahla. Okay. So, for solving this problem, after typing this Sa, Ha, then D, you want to click on the key that you can see in your textbook. This is the key, closing square bracket. Okay. So click on closing square bracket. Now I have clicked that, and next you can type La. Okay. See, the letters should not be combined as the combination letters in Malayalam. So for avoiding that, you can make use of a key. Which key is that? Closing square bracket. Okay. Next, I am going to type software. Okay. So, then fa, soft. Next, I am going to type T. Okay, let us see what happens. See, it comes to combined. Okay, for avoiding that, we can click on the or press on the closing square bracket. After that, you can type T. Okay. Next word is where. Okay, so while I am typing V, see, it comes like this. Okay, so for avoiding that, we can hold the closing square bracket. After that, you can type where. Okay, software. Sahla, software. Okay, so this is the key that we can make use of for avoid the combination of letters in Malayalam. Okay. Children, here you can see the desktop dictionary. Okay. Sometimes if you want to know the meanings of any words in English or in Malayalam, you can make use of a application which name is Theeram. Okay. That is installed in our computer. Go for applications, education, then search Theeram. Okay, here it is. Theeram English Malayalam Speaking Dictionary. Okay, what is the specialty? It is the speaking dictionary. Okay, in this box you can type any words. Okay, now I am typing any word in Malayalam. Okay. After typing the word, you can select the search button. Okay.
Bank border bound string postage literal seaboard shoreside strand.
Okay. When I have typed the word theorem, you can see the English meanings of that word and you can hear the words that is reading by the computer. Okay. I am just typing any English word here. So I am changing language to English. And I am typing dictionary. Okay. Then click on the search button. Okay, so that is the theorem dictionary. We can know the meanings of the words that from English to Malayalam and Malayalam to English. Okay, that is the theorem dictionary. Then here you can see other desktop dictionaries that are Golden Dict and Artha. Okay, that are also other dictionaries that will help us to find the meanings. Okay, Golden Dict is a multilingual dictionary. So, name a multilingual dictionary, we can say Golden Dict. Okay, what is the specialty of Golden Dict? It gives us the English, Malayalam, Hindi and Urdu meaning of a word. Okay, so I am just checking Artha, applications, accessories. Here you can see Artha. In this box you can type the word which you want to know the meaning. Okay, now I am typing same word, dictionary itself. Okay. See, a reference book containing an alphabetical list of words with information about them. That is the meaning for dictionary. Okay. So you want to keep the three words in your mind, which are the three dictionaries: Theorem, Golden Dict and Artha. In this, Golden Dict is the example for multilingual dictionary. Okay. Next, activity 3.2, let us type a poem. Here you can see 4 lines that are typed in Malayalam. And here is an image, here is a heading. What is that heading? Read with me. Yes, Kunyanurumbum Kuliyanayum. Okay, so we want to type this in the LibreOffice Writer. For that, open Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Okay, already I have typed this. Okay, so after typing these 4 lines, you want to change this font into Raghu Malayalam. See, select the lines of the poem and change the font to Raghu Malayalam. Okay, now I am selecting this and from the font name box I am selecting Raghu Malayalam. Okay. Here it is. Okay. And we can increase the size and color. Okay. So, in your textbook you can see that here is a heading Kunyanurumbum Kuliyanayum. After that, here you can see an image also. So, our next task is to type the heading. Now I am typing that. Okay, we can make it into bold. And in this space you want to insert an image. How can we insert an image into this file? Yes, here is the icon, insert image, and school resources. You can see standard 8, the image editing, more images. I have download an image. Okay, index.jpg. Just open that. See, we got the image. Now we can adjust it properly. Okay, if you want to see this into the center position, select it and click on align center option. Okay, so we want to move the image also. See, it looks so nice, no? Okay, so likewise you can make the pages. Here you can see the font. You are having so many handwritings, different handwritings for different persons. Likewise, here also we can change the handwriting of the letters and words. Okay, for that select, go for font name. There are lot of Malayalam fonts. One is Raghu Malayalam. Here Anjali Old Libby. Okay, see, here you can see a change. Okay, then let us search for another Malayalam Libby. You want to write this. Okay, Anjali Old Libby, Raghu Malayalam, then Chilanga. See, okay, this is the font for Chilanga. Then Deshabhimani. Okay, Deshabhimani. Dyudi. Here this is the font for Dyudi. Okay, Keraliyam. Yes, Lohit Malayalam. Then Manjari, Manjari bold. Then Meera. Okay, Meera. Likewise, there are lot of Malayalam fonts. Okay, you want to collect the names for Malayalam fonts. Okay, that is your first assignment. Write the names for Malayalam. Okay, Malayalam font. Urub, Tumbapu, Suruma. Okay, Shoganashini. These are all the examples for Malayalam Libby. Okay. Next, ASCII and Unicode. Okay. Did you heard about this ASCII and Unicode? Okay, I will explain it. The computer only knows two letters or two digits that are 0 and 1. That is binary language. Okay, so binary language is the language that could be identified by the computer. So when we are typing the letters in the LibreOffice Writer, then LibreOffice Calc or any software, that letter could be understood by the computer. Okay, for that there is a process that is called encoding, which means the letters and symbols that we input into a computer have to be converted to a format that can be understood by the computer. Okay, so the conversion of the letters and symbols to a language that could be understood by the computer. This process is known as encoding. Okay, so at the first time, ancient time, there are only 250 characters that could be encoded. Okay, so there is a limitation for encoding, but today we can encode any language. We can type any language in the computer. Okay, so in the first time the encoding is called ASCII. Okay, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so this is the first form of encoding, that is ASCII. But nowadays we can we have overcome those difficulties, and now we can type any languages. Okay, now we can type Malayalam words in Malayalam font itself. Okay, in the ancient times we want to type the Malayalam words by the help of ISM software, that is developed by the CDAC. Okay, that is a software, ISM software. So first of all we want to convert the English letters to Malayalam. Okay, by using this ISM software. After that, that English letters can be converted. Okay, that is the drawback of ISM software. So as the technology is improving, that problem has solved. Okay, then Unicode technique, which help us to encode more characters, came into use from 1996. Okay, so first form is ASCII code, and now we are using Unicode technique. Okay, in the ASCII codes there are limitations because only 255 characters can be encoded, but now by the use of Unicode technique we can convert any language to binary language, which means machine language. Okay, now we can type Malayalam in Malayalam font itself. Don't want to convert it into English. Okay, we can type directly to Malayalam. Next, Malayalam words can be used in the internet. For searching, we want to type the words. We want to type the keywords in the search engine. Example, Google, Yahoo, etc. Okay. So, for searching any word, you can type directly into the Malayalam letters. Okay, don't want to type Manglish. We can type the Malayalam. Next, include information in data banks like Aadhaar, voters list, etc. in Malayalam. Okay, now we can include the details in our Aadhaar card, then our identity card. Okay, likewise we can include information in Malayalam language. Okay, if relevant software and font is available, the files created in one computer can be opened and read on computers, tablets, PCs, or even on mobile phones. So now technology is so advanced, and we can hear that the computer or the machine is reading what we have typed in the computer. Okay, I will show it by the help of a software. Here you can see reading text using machine. For that we are make use of GSpeaker software. Now I am just selecting these lines and copying it and opening applications, sound and video, GSpeaker. Okay.
Welcome in GSpeaker.
So this is the GSpeaker machine. Now I am removing this and pasting that poem. Okay. Then click on the play button. You can hear that the machine is reading these 4 lines in Malayalam. Okay. Okay, children. So, a software which helps us to hear that the machine is reading. Which is software? G Speaker software. Okay. Here you want to fill this table. Okay. Malayalam fonts Rachana, Raghu Malayalam, Chilanga, Aruna, Meera, Keraliyam, Lohit Malayalam, Suruma. Okay. Rachana. Okay. Likewise, you want to fill this. Next, activity 3.3, let us add Hindi language. Okay. So, for adding Hindi, you can see here in the keyboard indicator only English and Malayalam. Now, we want to add extra language, that is Hindi. For that, select text entry settings. Okay. Here, you can see region and language. Click on this plus icon. See, here is Indian. Then click on add button. Okay. Now Indian, that is Hindi, is added to our keyboard indicator. Okay. So change from Malayalam to Indian. Now we can type this. Okay. Now I am going to type my name. We can change this font from Malayalam to any other Hindi language. Okay. I am selecting Gargi. Okay. Okay. Likewise, you can type your name and anything in the LibreOffice Writer by changing the keyboard indicator into Indian. Here we can see that the same keyboard layout of Malayalam is used for Hindi language. Okay, now I would see the chart. See, A, Shift D, then A, Shift E. Okay, Na, V. So, same language, same keyboard layout is for Malayalam and Hindi. Okay. In the textbook you can see lines. You want to type that in the LibreOffice Writer and save it, and after that you want to change that into the font Gargi. Okay. खुशबू से और रंगों से एक फूल बोला मैं इधर हूँ, गानों से और लहरियों से चिड़िया बोली मैं इधर हूँ. Okay. So, you want to type this by changing this keyboard indicator into Indian, and you can type this by the same keys that we are using for Malayalam. Okay, after that save it. Let us evaluate which among the following keyboard layouts help us to type Indian languages including Malayalam. Okay. Which keyboard layout help us to type Indian languages including Malayalam? Can you say? Inscript, ISM, CDAC or Rachana? See that Inscript key layout developed by CDAC, a central government agency for typing various Indian languages. Okay, which means that InScript key layout developed by CDAC. Okay, so which is the layout? InScript key. Okay, so tick InScript key. Then second question, the following table was prepared by Arun. He wanted to categorize the fonts used to type Malayalam and Hindi. Okay, so he made certain mistakes while preparing the table. Correct them. Here this is the Malayalam and this is the Hindi. This table is prepared by Arun, but here are some mistakes. Okay, under Malayalam, which all fonts will came? Anjali, then Suruma, then Meera. Okay, Anjali, Suruma and Meera. And Gargi, Kalimadi and Samanada comes under Hindi. Okay, so rewrite that. And third one, we have learned how to add a new language to our keyboard layout. Suppose we no longer need this language, so add it. How can we remove it? Take the system settings window and write it down the steps to remove a language. Okay, so for removing, go for keyboard indicator, text entry settings. Now I want to remove this Indian. Okay, so for adding, I just press the plus button. For removing, just select which language we want to remove. Okay, now I am removing Indian. Then select this minus button. Okay, let us check, is the Indian is removed or not? Yes, now only two languages, that are English and Malayalam. Indian is removed. Okay, so dear children, here our third chapter is over. If you are having any doubt, you can contact me. You want to write one word question and answer for this